HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a programming language used to create the looks of a website. Bolding, italicizing, or underlining text while typing is a form of HTML. HTML started as a very simple language. It only had a handful of commands and could be mastered in just a day. However, it began to improve more and more until it was what it is today. Adding images was supported, embedding was supported, backgrounds were supported, and more. If you want to actually use HTML code, you're going to need to, if you are on a Mac computer, open TextEdit, and if you're on a Windows computer, open Notepad. Next, go to Format and click Make Plain Text. And then, if you want to actually use the HTML code, go to File, Save as index.html, plain text encoding, make it UTF-8, and then you're done. Press Save, and it should work. The first thing you will ever need to type if you're learning HTML is !doc_type space HTML, then press Enter, and then type HTML in all caps. Next, this will actually tell the system that you're typing HTML. To end the HTML document, do /HTML. Now, you may be wondering, how do I display this in a website? Click on Finder, search Find Index, and do Open With, and then use your default browser. It should open, and here's your website. It may not look like much right now, but that's why we need to edit it. Headings are a way to make headings. Shocking, huh? To write a heading, you will use H and then the numbers 1 through 6. 1 is the most important heading and is the biggest, and 6 is the least important heading and is the smallest. Once you decide on a number, type a text, such as text, and then do /H, and then the number you did. H stands for headings, obviously. Okay, now you can go to the website, reload the page, and it's on the website! Paragraphs let you write normal text. To write a paragraph, you will do P. Shocking, right? Followed by a text, such as, this is how you write a text. Followed by /P to end the command. Now, go to your website, reload the page, and you have a paragraph text. Links allow you to create links to other websites. Create a link, do this. A space href equals, then do quotation marks, and then type in your link. Samplelink.com. That's an actual website. And then type the words you want instead of the link, such as go here to go to the link. Then do /A to end the command, and you're good. Go to the thing, reload the page, and there's a link. Yeah, it's not a real. Images allow you to put an image. To do it, try this. You do image source equals, and then you type your image into quotations. I don't have an image ready, so I'll just do imagelink.com. do the ending quotations, and then a bracket. When you reload the page, there will be an image. But obviously, there's not an actual image there because I don't have one actually linked. Buttons are really fun because you can create buttons. To this, do button, surprisingly, then type something, click me for a free penny. And then do slash button. And when you reload the page, voila, there's a button. Click me for a free penny. Obviously it doesn't work because I can't give away free pennies. Pennies are they have too much value. Lists allow you to create a list. To do a list, do this. UL, which stands for unordered list. Enter. Do LI. Then type in whatever you want to be in the list. Hi. Then do slash LI. And then you can do it again. By slash LI. LI. Hello. Slash LI. And at the end, you of course do slash UL. And we reload the page, and there is a list.